Do you dread performance reviews? You're not alone. Only 14% of employees strongly agree that reviews inspire them to improve. In fact, 57% of workers understand the need to acquire new skills in order to accelerate career growth. That's why more businesses today are using skill development training as a way to measure and reward employees. Certification training gives you more than skills. It gives you the credibility and confidence you need to advance your career. Prove that your skills align with business goals. Future-proof your value, even as jobs change. So upskill in artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, cloud computing, DevOps, big data, project management, digital marketing, cybersecurity, blockchain, IT service and architecture, agile and Scrum, and gain a competitive edge.